Alright, so we got another unboxing video. And today we got another one of these from the same seller. So let's go ahead and get these out of the pack. Go ahead and open these up. Y'all might know what's going on here. We got one of these Hit Toy RC Thomases, but the battery compartment's corroded. Only one of them is. We got a Thomas shell. I know the chassis should be in here, but the reason why I bought this is because for this. Now, I got plans for this actually, if I can fix it, because the seller says these weren't working. Now I also got another one. Got another one of these. But the battery, one of the battery compartments is corroded, but we can fix that. A few more stuff in here. Get rid of that bubble wrap. Another Thomas shell with this one has the shock face. See, there's a battery in there or something. Got another Thomas, and traction rods are in really bad shape. One, the buffer beam is broken. Buffers are fading. Another Thomas shell, that's the same one. Another one of these Hit Toy Company RC Thomases. And we got another one of these Thomas shells with no chassis bottom, and one of these Thomases. And this one kind of been through a lot. Traction rod is bent a little bit. The buffer is broken away. And it's really dirty on the outside. But I'm pretty sure we could clean it. And it has a deemed buffer. Dirty on this side as well. The face is in actually good condition though, actually. No traction rods either. Alright, so the next thing we're finna do is test these, see which ones work. So I can't really test these because I don't have the remotes. The only ones I can test are these. So we're gonna start off with this Thomas here. And this is not good condition. This won't be. This probably ain't good. That battery up. Oh, okay, good. The battery is terminal still intact. And the other batteries are. And battery terminals are actually clean. Actually, really clean. So I'm going to put some fresh batteries in there. See how he runs. It works. It works. Well, it has a broken axle gear, but let's see if the sound works. It works. It worked, but something's going. I think something's going on in between the coupling system. So I'm gonna take a look at that. Might end this YouTube video. And since this Thomas didn't come with a shell, I have an extra shell. Since this Thomas didn't come with one. Even though the battery terminal is corroded, I'll clean it off. And this one has a broken axle gear as well. Oh, excuse me. This one doesn't. Oh, excuse me. Sorry about that, y'all. But this one doesn't work, but this one does. Now onto this Thomas. Battery contacts are clean. He starts off a little slow, but he works. Now the last one is this Thomas here with the messed up buffer. He works. Well, he works. Alright, so I'm going to leave it there for this video, and I will be repairing these engines to see if I can get them up and running. Thanks for watching.